Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the Knit Crate yarn giveaway. If you are not a winner and you would like to become a member, it's $29.95 per month. You get 2 skeins of yarn with a booklet of patterns every month, and the links for all of this information is listed down below this video. And the winner, once you see if you are the winner, please contact me. My email is listed down below, and I just need your address so I can send this out as soon as possible. Thank you everybody for participating and subscribing. I have a new Facebook group and page. If you'd like to join, you can, it's right here. You can sign up or you can join if you're on Facebook, and that is all down below as well. And 2 books for sale on Amazon that I wrote if you're interested. Kindle and a paperback and Kindle. And let's see who the winner is. The winner is Irene Bradbury. Congratulations. And like I said, my email is listed down below. Please contact me as soon as possible. I'll give this about a week, and if I don't hear from Irene, then I'll have to pick a new winner. Thank you everybody for subscribing and participating, and look out for new giveaways that I am trying to do weekly to monthly. Thank you for watching.